90 inch-pounds on the 5R55S transmission valve body. This is my Snap-on dial. I like to start, they give you a sequence, but I'll start where I start, right? It calls on 90. I don't do that right away. I'll go 75 on them all first. I'll do a sequence run. Show you how neat this thing is. There we go. And you just run around, do it, and I'll show you how you do a sequence run. I mean, come on, not rocket science. Not rocket science. He blinded me with rocket science. There you go, 60, 75. What do we got here on the pawl? 75, don't go wild, buddy. 75. There we go, 75. There we go. Get over here on a 75er. 75, and so on. Now I'm not going to film any more of that, but I just wanted to show you how cool this Snap-on dial torque wrench, inch-pound. It's late, but I'm going to finish the job. 5R55S transmission, complete rebuilt, bulletproof transmission by Jupiter Mustang Mike. Well, whatever way you want to call me. Idiot, no chicken footer.